This is Ganache 101. I want to show you 3 different types of ganache that you can use to build a cake. So we've got a brown sugar ganache for the filling, a butter ganache for the drip, and then a whipped ganache for the decoration. We're going to start with a light brown sugar ganache. To fill the cake, we're going to melt our chocolate. And we just set it to one side. Meanwhile, we're going to heat cream, light brown sugar, butter, and salt. Once it's hot and the butter is melted, we're going to pour it in small additions onto the chocolate, stirring in small circles. Finally, we add in sour cream and we blend it. Blending it is really important because it's going to emulsify the ganache and give us a smooth finish. We rest it at room temperature. And after a few hours, you end up with something that has more of a buttercream-like consistency. Then we just take that soft ganache and we're going to layer our cake. Now, if you can use a warm palette knife, it does make it a lot easier to spread and work with. So now I've filled and crumb coated the cake. By all means, you could cover the entire cake in this ganache, but I prefer Swiss meringue buttercream, so I'm going to do that instead. For the whipped ganache, we need to stabilize it by adding gelatin and water together. In the meantime, we take a little bit of sugar and we're going to add cream and bring that to a gentle simmer. And once it's hot, we stir through our bloom gelatin. I've got a bowl of melted dark chocolate. I'm going to slowly pour that cream mixture over the top and then just blend until smooth. We pour it into a shallow tray which we've lined. This is going to help it set quicker and we chill it for 4 hours. For the drip, we're going to make a butter ganache. I don't even know if that's a thing, but it is now. We're going to melt our butter and our chocolate. It comes off the heat and then we have to cool it to 35 degrees C. We're going to take that cool chocolate drip, we're going to pour it directly onto our chilled cake and then working quickly, use a palette knife while spinning your cake to spread the chocolate drip to the edges, filling in any gaps. And you should be left with a lovely chocolate drip. And to finish, we're going to whisk the whipped ganache just until it holds a medium peak. Do not over whisk this. Then I'm going to use a star tip to pipe the whipped ganache on top of the cake. And there you have Ganache 101, okay? Not your boring old ganache recipes, beautifully soft interior, lovely drip, and perfect piping.